Alright, Team Scratch, welcome back. It's still August 11th. I'm still in the Mount Greylock Memorial Tower. I started walking downstairs and I said, you know what? I should show the team what it looks like to go down the stairs. So here you go. Should have counted the stairs, but I didn't think about that. Maybe somebody who's industrious on the team can count how many stairs there is. If you watch the video. And we're back down here. This is the room we started in. And we're going back outside. So there you have it. Mount Greylock, the War Memorial, Massachusetts, highest point. And y'all were there. You saw it, you did it, you conquered it. You climbed the stairs. We got her goldenness here waiting on us. You got anything you want to say to the team?
No. Hi.
That was weak.
I know.
All right, team, we're going to get back after it. We're going to get on this trail and we'll keep heading north. Stay positive, say your prayers, do something good for somebody. Have a glass of wine for me tonight. Scritch is out.